Welcome to 52 Solutions for Homeschool Moms. Today, the problem we're facing is students that have poor computation skills. And the solution is to teach the more excellent way.
I'm Diane Holt at tutorsolutions.net, and today we're working on math computations, but we're doing it the more excellent way so your child can be successful. Did you know there are only 3 types of math problems? There's the computations, the applications, which are your story problems, and the labeling, which is like labeling your geometric shapes. Well, today we're going to work on the computation problems. This video will teach you how to do it the more excellent way, and these kind of problems include adding and subtracting with and without regrouping, long division, double-digit multiplication, adding and subtracting fractions. The list goes on. Well, the teaching strategy for teaching computation problems is first, check on the pre-skills. Second, review the last skill taught, and then do an I do, we do, and you do. I'm going to use that strategy demonstrating how to teach subtraction with regrouping. So, before I start, I check the pre-skills. Yes, 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 I say to, and yes, I say to each of these. The student can do these things. And then I check on the previous skill taught, and this I will do with the student. And I will say, yes, they can subtract without regrouping.
The number we start with is the number in the ones column. I have 5 ones. And I need to take away 9. I don't have 9 to take away. So the rule is, when we take away more than we start with, we go next door and get 10 more. So I go to the tens column. There I have 4 tens. So I'm going to take 1 10 away. Take 1 10 away from 4 and I get 3. And now I have a group of tens. I'm going to rename them into ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I put a mark here. Now I've got 15. I should have 15 marks. This looks good now. 15 take away 9 equals. I can do that here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. 15 take away 9 is 6. Now that sounds just about right. I go over to my 3 groups of 10, subtract 1, and I have a 2. 45 take away 19 is 26. Now it's your turn. All right, what number do you start with? Yeah, 3. Go ahead and mark it on the side. Can you take 7 away from 3? No. So what do? The rule is that when you have to take away more than what you start with, you have to go next door and get 10 more. How are you going to do that? You're going to take one group of 10s out. Then you're going to rename them into ones. Good job. And don't forget, yeah, now you have 13. 13 take away 7. What do you get? 6. 13 take away 7 is 6. Good job. Now go to your 10s. Yeah, that's right. That is correct. 33 minus 17 is 16. Good job.
So that's how we do I do, we do. Now it's time to do the you do plus. This is the time of independent practice. And this is when the computation lesson falls apart. And this is why. 1, the term independent practice makes you think that the teacher pulls completely away from the child and puts the child on their own. No, 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 no. This is the time when the teacher carefully monitors the child's work. And the reason is because we don't want the child to start to make and practice errors. The second reason that independent practice often falls apart is because there's not enough. They say that 85% of all curriculum does not have enough practice for the child. The child needs to get this strategy into their long-term memory so that it becomes automatic. In other words, the procedures must be taught over and over, and they must be learned over and over. Now I'm going to give you a bonus. I'm going to show you an independent practice strategy that helps with this process, and it's called check and see.
You take a piece of paper, you fold it over like so, just about 1/3 over, and you write here, you write your problems. Let's go 52, take away 17. Let's go 34, take away 18. And then you write the same problem over on this side. 52, take away 17. 34, take away 18. Whoops. And 44, take away 28. There you go. On this column, you go ahead and you solve the problem. All right? And, and then you go ahead and solve the problem. So you've got the problem and the answers there. Now you cover it up. You give this to the student and you say, we're playing check and see. And so I want you to do the problems. They work the problem. Then they open up the door and there's the answer. And if they have the same answer and if they have the same markings, then they get full credit. Then they close the door. Go ahead, work on the next problem. Open it up, see if they get the same.
Try, check, and see. It will increase your child's accuracy and independence. Excellence is what you are looking for with computation math problems. When teaching computations, use this teaching strategy. You will find success. This is the more excellent way of teaching math computations. Thank you for watching.
At tutorsolutions.net, we listen to moms. Let us know your concerns. You are designing the future of your children. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.